Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically run applications as an administrator on your Windows 11 PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you wish to run any application as an administrator, then you will need to be logged in with an account which has administrator privileges. After logging in, just locate the application that you want to run as administrator. Then just right-click on your mouse button and then click on Properties. From the property menus, click on Compatibility, and now you can click on the Run this program as an administrator option. Then click on Apply, and this will now set this application so that it will always run as an administrator. You can also click on Change Settings for all users and enable the same option so that every user will now be able to run this application as an administrator. After doing so, you can now run this application and you will be able to use it with full administrator privileges. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to run any application as an administrator on your Windows 11 PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.